Everyone, I am Kavish Viltari and I am here to discuss about internal one examination of data science. Now let's start with the part A, statistical characterization of complaint data. So looking on the question one, we can see what are the three commonly used statistical measures to characterize dispersion in complaint derived scores: alleged offense severity, evidence strength, and how can they be computed efficiently over large repositories. There can be range, interquartile range, and standard deviation to measure the statistical dispersion. The range is the difference between the maximum and minimum scores, provides a quick snapshot of the data spread. The difference between the 75th percentile and 25th percentile is interquartile range. It measures the spread of the middle 50% of the data, robust to outliers. And at the last, the standard deviation measures the average distance of each score from the mean, indicates how clustered the data is around the average. These measures help in understanding the variability and consistency within complaint derived scores. Now let's see the efficient computation for large data repositories, streaming aggregations, approximate sketches, and partition stores. Streaming aggregations is like calculate running sums, sigma of x, and sums of squares, sigma of x square as data arise. This allows for various standard deviation computation without storing all values, crucial for continuous data streams. For approximate sketches, utilize data structures such as T-digest or KLL sketches to estimate quantiles for IQR with high accuracy in a single pass over the data, optimizing memory and processing time. Now with partition stores, compute local statistics, min, max, count, sum on individual data partitions, charts, and subsequently merge these local statistics to derive global insights efficiently. Now moving on to the next question, question two. Uh, there has been sorted values given to us and they have demanded us some central tendencies, that is mean, median, mode, mid-range, Q1, Q3, number 5 summary, a box plot of the scores. And in this context, how is a quartile a plot different from a quartile plot? So let's discuss how to solve this. As you can see, the mean is very easy to calculate. We have to sum all the values, which is 809, and then count the number of values provided, that is 27, and the mean comes out to be around 29.96. The median, with its traditional conventions, uh, is 25, which is the 14th value. Now, the mod is 25 and 35 because both appears 4 times, and the modality of this distribution is bimodal. For mid-range calculation, mid-range equal to minimum value plus maximum value whole by 2, and its result is found to be 41.5. Now moving to D and E section of the second question. The Q1 quartile appears to be 20 and Q3 quartile appears to be 35. The number 5 summary of this question is minimum 13, first quartile 20, medium 25, third quartile 35, and maximum 70. Summary set is 13, 20, 25, 35, and 70. Now the F and G parts of the question. Plot description is a box extends from 20 Q1 to 35 Q3. A line inside the box marks the median at 25. Whiskers extend to the minimum 13 and maximum 70. The box illustrates where the middle 50% of evidence scores lie. The long whisker extending to 70 suggests a positive skew, indicating the presence of some high evidence scores in the dataset. Now coming up to the QQ plot versus quartile plot. Quartile plot displays sorted data values against their rank or percentile, showing the sample data's distribution. QQ plot compares quartiles of sample data against quartiles of a theoretical distribution, example normal or Gaussian, used to check if data adheres to a specific standard distribution assumed by system models. Now coming to the third question, which is about median from group data. Let me read the question. It asks to compute an approximate median severity for the complaints provided in the graph, uh, sorry, in the columns. So we have total frequency here as 3194, target median position as 1597. The median class here is 21 to 50. Lower boundary is 21. Frequency is of course 1500. Cumulative frequency appears to be 950. Class width is 30. Median calculation from group data can be calculated with the given formula as shown. Median equals L plus in bracket in the numerator n by 2 minus Cf, and in the denominator f whole multiplied by h. Median is approximately 33.94. This approximate median value represents the central tendency of the severity index when data is presented at grouped intervals. Now coming to the fourth question. The fourth question has given us some records about complainant age and self-assessed incident impact for 18 complaints, and we have to compute mean, median, and standard deviation for age and impact percentage. So as you can see, we have the records here, and mean finds out to be 46.44 years. Median is 51 years, and the standard deviation after all the calculation is found to be 13.5 years. For impact percentage statistics, we have median as 28.78 percentage, median as 30.7 percentage, and standard deviation as 9.0 percentage. With this, I'll end this video, and we would further discuss about the next sections and the further part of the question in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.